Yo guys, welcome to my new video, and today I'm gonna show you how to install the Movetronix headlight. My friends of Movetronix sent me this headlight to show you how to install it and how it works. The headlight comes in this package. We will unpack it right away. This is how it looks like. The first step you have to do is go to the bike and unstrap these straps. How you do it is like this. Unstrap this one and unstrap this one like this. The next step you have to do is put the cables behind it and lift it. Then you have to unplug this cable, and then it's all disconnected. Then you see these 3 screws. You take a screwdriver, don't lose them. Then take your old headlight out of the case, throw this away, and take your new Movetronix headlight. Then put this right here. Use this to put it on. You don't want to scratch it already. Put the screws back on. Oh. And then it's on the case. Next thing you want to do is put the cable back in. Grab this little guy, plug it back into the right cable. Plug it in. Put this right back. Connect these straps. The other one as well. And then it's installed. Scan this QR code. It sends you to the Movetronix headlight site, and then you can download the app. I already have it. It's connecting. It's successfully connected, and now you can see red light, green light, blue light. And you can choose different modes, like a flashing mode for the red, for example. That's flashing. The slider for the speed. You can speed it up or you can slow down. Reading mode, you can choose green. As you can see, it's lighting up. You can change the speed as well for this one. You have the strobe light, the green one. All different settings. Big thank you to the guys from Movetronix. I will put their link to their Instagram account in the top of the description. And now we will hop into the beauty shots.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They've been gone a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.